van noi muntin le gamtina cheng ku ki chate zo se nila alam thu so asi somleng chenala ngai khom ki dingen kahin lim chi ove tun tuni adinga ki gong thu so anasim khom taw hite lamkai ho ko ma timna really dangdang ibol uzong aphai ki pa a ume a hi wangin idimanu yuti mu loi na dinga government ko ma political solution nebol pi loi uvin iti ova political solution really thakhana ni vebe ki bol theile mi vet dinga zong amo ho khu galde lote galbol nomte a hi pove political solution yuti dal a hi uve ati thei uwa amu do dingu a hi e international media le government in zong ahin het thim dom ding ahin khosa dom ding ahi e date 19 June 2026 Konsakhul numei thum atahsa noplou in JNIMS akipolut nin akijen e achi sa jan hi ni kho date 18 June 2026 ni kho a thuso ki mu in aseina makhan kho a relief ke ma Konsakhul numei thum atahsa athasam in JNIMS akipolut nin akijen e hechinu mei thum ho hi mei ni simsom le thum ni kho a kuki noi hon leilon vai pe a ko na aman ho la a zaw a hi tin thuso chun a seye JNIMS ke polu numei thum ho chu a hi le pawang bolui thui mei kumsom thum le ge na upa dingam lui abomai kumsom li le segi a upa chule th widim lui kumsom gup le li a upa a hi ve amo ho thum hi a hai nup lo a oina zewa complain a hung zi a ko na hin ke polu a hi tin thuso chun a seye chule amo ho hi tu hin rimsa medicine le psychiatrics department na akijan 18 thuso chun a seye media wings emi thuso la home Office of the Kuki in P Manipur apex body of the Kuki tribe administrative center Lamka 795128 clarification Kim Secretariat Lamka date 18 June 2026 the Kuki in P Manipur wished to clarify that it has no knowledge of any meeting having taken place between representatives of the Kim KXO and Chief Minister Mr. Kim Chan Singh. Kuki in P Manipur wants to make it clear to all and sundry that any engagement with the government must strictly follow due process, including prior consultation with the executive committee and the consent of the people. Any deviations from this established procedure is unacceptable and constitutes a breach of organizational discipline. If any members is found to have participated in such a meeting, appropriate action will be taken in accordance with the principles and accountabilities and responsibility upheld by the organization. Issued by Pautin Thanglupeng, General Secretary, Kuki in P Manipur. Breaking news: Tamil Nadu government in students hadinga free bus umding tiase. Date 18 June 2026 Zanhini Hua to Sokimo in Asaina Tamil Nadu government in Timzil Japang uniform ki apole government bus free anup chanjan to thading Chile Vale na zong sumsen talo umthe ahitai ati chihin insung izan hamkhana dinga all na api ding ahitin asaye Adi students asanga sim izan hamkhanin a inmuna patna schools chule college azot na ki kalampi hi agam thain gari bahara se inzong sumtampi aseng zi ovin hitabang ho adia phachom ding a hi ati chule hi chi free bus lungel hungkipat do zi hi thimzil chapang ho adia chile wale na asum achom asu umang taloding chule thimzil na lampanga dia travel fare su umang ding lungel a hi Hichi lungel le thilgon support hon asai be na avachun hitabang skim ki gong hin thimzil chapang ho din chile wale asu boita loading class attach azong asu hoiding no le pate adinga zong sumle pai lampanga all na api ding chule thimzil chapang ho adia zong le khasim na lampanga kithil khong na lampi ahin puilut ding ahitin asai uve head bedi khachu thimzil na lampi panla kiti hi classroom le textbook se ahipon muntina ko na thimzil chapang hon school le college sumsen lawa thunthei zong hi ahitin asayuve boina umlo na mopo na dinga hi mi piten zong mopo na ane ingai ze date 18 June 2026 zanhi ni khochun Manipur boina umlo na mopo na dinga hi kingai luta ale mizosin mopo na ala angai 18 chief minister yumnam himchanin aphong do tai Hichitu hi Chingam Makha Nambol Mapal Development Committee Agit Vechan na Foundation Day Kin Kiman na Athusay na Chief Minister in Apondo ahi Zeribam nga Kuki Paite Mar le meitei ho kingai luta in ove government in zong gamsunga hi boina umlo na polu ding hi na sata in akingai to hichi a hin gamsunga ummi piten zong panpina neding in chief minister in aphondo obe in a hi source from the Shanghai Express. Date 19 June 2026 NEET exam je a suicide ki bol zanhi masa date 16 June 2026 jingka lama thuso ki mochun deraduna no meikhat NEET exam bolding lai khawgui natna ki khaili in athi in a hi amano hi ria ahin kumsomni la thuma upa a hi lekha them class 12 a mark 96.7% muzo college topper a hi tu thla ahung thlungding de 21 a hi medical entrance exam dinga ki gong ahin police ho seidan in Tuesday nidan somle akim velchun anu in bunetinga akole aruma kwat eki kha khumchu ahon thailo pha na apa akova a khet hong ule athisa a ana ahitai lekha pe khat a I love my mom and dad I am sorry ti khat amudo un a hi may date 3 a NEET exam question leak ze a exam cancel ki bol chu punawala chuti hidinga ginchat a hi tin tu so chun asaye by Esle JNIMS Hospital a akijen ki zo khang tha ho Champul District Hospital a hung ki transfer ho chu pu thang khem ho ki min ki thopi na level na nei phatmasa a ki zo wang kho leilon vai phei khosung NSCNIM le ZUFK in ana attack zi a ki tong kha ta chapa mi thum rimsa ane ki zanu chu phaisung hon deilo ve sa na zi a ki phin na ze in achi sa date 17 June 2026 Wednesday ni khojun Champur District Hospital a din transfer ani uto ki hlonin zanhi ni kho date 18 June 2026 ni khojun pu thang hem hau kiple aloi nu chule Young Wife Association YVA to ki hlon in vilna agane in chule medical needs adin relief contribution zong ahin bol in a hi headbedding khat chu pu thang hem hau kim hi to le tu a DRDO Champur a on service a hi in a hi source from Nitin Thuso Daily News Thuso hi chanchun ekichai tai Thuso abana anangai hom kidingin ka hinlem che ve Thuso hingai zo se na bon chawin stay safe and stay blessed.